Let us join 80 degree. We have made marked here. Join it. Okay. So the next step is we have to locate the fourth point D on CY. Okay, it is a CY line which is inclined at 80 degree to BC. So what is D? You just check it out. CD we are knowing. What is the measure of CD? CD is 6.5. So here also we have to mark that. That is the next thing we have to do. Okay. Take 6.5 from the scale. See, you will be getting, okay, 6.5 from point C, cut an arc. Okay, from point C, cut an arc. Now we are having BC measure also. So what is BC measure? BC measure already we have done. AB measure we are having how much? 4 centimeter. It is 5. Now take down 4 centimeter from the scale. Okay, 4 centimeter from the scale. Now from point B. From point B, cut an arc with 4 centimeter. Okay. Now we got 2 points here. It is A and it is D. Now join AD now. What you have to do? AD has to be joined. So we got ABCD. This is the way you have to do when 3 sides and 2 angles are given. Now let us move to the special constructions here. Some special cases. See here, square they have given with a 4.5 centimeter. So we already know that in a square all the sides are equal, and one more property you have to implement here. What is that? All the angles are 90 degree. So it is a square means you can give any name here. PQRS. Each is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and all the angles are 90 degree. Getting? All the angles are 90 degree. Using that concept, we can first what you have to do? A baseline with a 4.5. Draw a line. Call it as a PQ. Okay. Now draw the perpendiculars at both the points. Take any suitable measurement, 1 or 2 centimeter. Cut an arc. Semicircles you make. Okay, we got one perpendicular. Draw here. In the same way, this side also. First semicircle, then arcs, 1 arc, 2 arc, and here I have to continue. Okay. Now this will be the one more perpendicular we will be having. Now after getting perpendiculars, what you have to do? 4.5, because in square all the sides are equal only, no? Okay, take 4.5. Okay, from P, cut an arc. Even from Q, cut an arc. Okay. Now join it. Call it as R and it as a S. Now join these. This is the way you have to construct the square. Okay. So the next one is construct a rhombus ABCD where AC is 6 cm and BD 7 cm. Just observe whenever we draw a rhombus. Okay, ABCD. What is actually AC is? It is a diagonal. What is BD is? Even it is a diagonal. So here two diagonals are given. Just you have to construct the rhombus. What is the idea? Actually, you know that in rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So BD you take those as a base. What you have to do? BD you should take as a base. How much BD measurement is? 7. So mark down 7 cm. Draw a line. Clear? Now here angular bisector you have to draw. Perpendicular you have to draw. For that what you have to do? More than half you take. Cut an arc from this point. So this is actually DB 7 cm. Now we have cut it with an more than half. From here also cut this. Now we got the perpendicular. Draw the perpendicular with a dotted line. Okay. Now what is the measure of AC? You just check it out. AC is 6. That means half of the this is half, midpoint it will be. So it is 3, here 3. So AC you have to divide by 2 parts. 2 ones are 2 3, that's 3 cm. Now you have to take 3 cm from a compass. Clear? Now from this point, one arc you cut with 3 cm and 3 cm down. Are you getting? 3 cm up and 3 cm down. And this point will be A and this point will be C. Now join all the sides. What do you have to do? You have to join the sides now. So this is the required diagram we are having. So this completes this lesson, children. So practical geometry has completed. So in the next class we will start with the new lesson. Thank you.